going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. Just wanted to share this update with you guys. I believe this one was 14 deletions. $134-point increase on Equifax, 99-point increase on Experian, and 115-point increase on TransUnion. As you can see, previous report was pulled March 21st, and the re-import was done April 25th, so 35 days apart. That is over a 300-point increase. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you're interested in signing up, I will leave that information in the description of the video as well as the comment section. Hope y'all have a great day.